All right, here's my 2022 M440i. It's a G26. And I just ordered, I don't know how to say this, Vten, T-E-I-N, I don't know. Their rear diffuser, pretty sweet, super excited. Also comes with the harness adapter because it's got a third brake light on there. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna lift this beast into the air, pull the stock rear lip off, I guess, diffuser. And I already have the side winglets, so we'll put those back on because they go actually for this rear diffuser. And let's see if we can't make this thing a little bit more aggressive with the exhaust pipes. It'll be really awesome. To get started, we're going to take the rear bumper off. It's actually fairly simple. There's actually only like 1, 2, 3 bolts here, and then there's a Torx right up here. And then up on the top, there's just a cover. You just basically lift this cover up. And then there's a bolt here and here. And now I got it to here. I've also taken off most of the bolts on the bottom. But there's like 3 tabs I don't know how to get off yet. And a wiring harness. So I'm trying to get that wiring harness up so I can pull this bumper, I guess, or these tabs without breaking it. I got to figure that out. I'll show you once I get those off. All right, we got the rear bumper off. Apparently, you have to do all of these clips on the bottom. Pry those all off first. And then the whole thing comes off. It was easier than I thought, but harder than I expected. And now she's laying there. We're going to take all the clips off for the diffuser and swap that bitch out. Okay. Some of these tabs come to the left and some go to the right. Leave the ones that go to the left as they hold the bumper to the other valence, and just get all the ones to the right, and your factory diffuser will come right on out. So to get this to fit properly, I had to undo all of my exhaust, and we had to cut off this tail section, this bumper support that connects over here. We cut that off because the new one won't clear that, and my exhaust pipes from the factory were over here, but now they need to be way over here. So we just took this off, used a Dremel tool, and cut off this little support that goes over there. And now we're trying to get the bumper on. All right, we got the rear diffuser swapped out. That was a lot of fun. I had to go through, redo all of my exhausts to fit. So underneath, you know, I had to move all the hangers, extend the pipe out both sides. I got all the new bolts back up. Got all the bolts up for the side. This turned out awesome. So now I have the rear valve, then the new diffuser. And I'm just trying to get my exhaust tips even and leveled, and I should be all done. I put the covers back on. Right now the wiring for the light is just sitting in there. I have to figure out how to get those tail lights out, and I'll do that a different day because I'm exhausted. And yeah, a little more work. I was hoping for just a bolt in, bolt out, but it turned out to be a little bit more than that. A little cutting, modifying, but that's how cars work, right? It's gonna look awesome though. I'll have to figure out, get that third brake light working, and then I'll be done completely. But that is awesome. So yeah, we had to trim out the plastic piece that went behind here, but everything's still supported. This thing's on there real good. Fitment looks real nice. I'm excited. I didn't take any before photos, but here's your standard M440i rear diffuser. It looks nice. You know, it's got the little cuts. That's fine. But then compared to this one, a lot more aggressive with actual winglets that come out. That's nice. Yes. It's fun having matching cars with your best friend. And then you each try to do something that the other doesn't have. Oh, that's looking sharp. Front lip all the way down to the rear. Now I need some side skirts. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna try to get this taillight, piece out, and I've never done that yet. So if I look here and I pull this carpet back, I can see there's a pop tab right away in here. So I'm assuming there's a couple of them going through. So I'm going to try to pull this carpet back so that, here's these two 10s, and I'm assuming there's another bolt back here. So let me see if I can get this carpet back, and then I'll see where those bolts are, and then we can hopefully get this wiring harness on there and get that third brake light working. So I had to take this out, which is like the little hanger here. And once I did that, I'm able to fold this down because it's not that bolt. It's a bolt right inside there that you can't really see, but it's in there pretty good. So we'll drop this down and then throw an extension through there, through here, to get to the light. There's your headlight clip, or taillight clip. Now what you have to do is I had to pull this red part back. Oops, sorry. Pull the red part back and then squeeze to get it to come out of the taillight. So now, hopefully this is correct, and I can just add this adapter, and my light should work. So let's see. Okay, so I have the new harness plugged in. Then I zip tied these together, and then I connected the new taillight. I'm just going to set this down so we can test it out. So I'll just kind of set this in there, and then I'll go grab the keys, and we'll try it out. All right, go ahead, hit the brakes. It does a flashy pattern. All right, off. And one more time. I don't know if you can even see that. Might have to do it in the dark. Oh, there it goes. All right, so it's all working. Now I got to put it all back together. Whee! All right, go ahead, hit the brakes. Nice. All right, let it go. All right, one more time. Very cool. All right, it is finished. The light is on. It's hard to tell during the day, but I can see if I can do a night one before I do final production. All right, hit the brakes. Turn them off. Hit them again. Turn them off. Hold on. All right, do it again. Alright, turn it off. But my interior is back together. Taillight is back in. And it's pretty cool. It does like a random pattern, and then it stays on when you hit the brake light. So if I hit the brakes, it's going to flash at you, and then it stays on. But this Vten rear diffuser setup is 100% finally finished now, and looking awesome with the side winglets, and I am super stoked to hear what you guys think. So let me know down below what you guys think. If you have any questions, also let me know, and I'll try to answer anything that I can.